Well, the highest spike in COVID-19 cases in a single day in Karnataka as 84 fresh cases have been reported in the last 24 hours. 18 cases were reported from Bengaluru, 17 cases reported from Mandya, 5 cases reported each from Gadag and Hassan, and 8 cases reported from Uttar Kannada. Number of cases in the state now rises to 1,231. Mysuru was declared COVID-19 free, but today one fresh case has been reported from Mysuru after 20 days. 46-year-old who returned from Mumbai has now tested positive for COVID-19 in Mysuru. State government gives permission for KSRTC and private buses to ply from tomorrow. BMTC buses will also be allowed to function in Bengaluru from Tuesday, but only 30 people will be allowed to travel in a bus at once.
ಜನರ ಓಡಾಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ BMTC, KSRTC, NW KSRTC, NE KSRTC 4 ನಿಯಮಗಳು ರೆಡ್ ಝೋನ್, ಕಂಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಝೋನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಬಸ್ಸಿನ ಓಡಾಟ ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದನೇ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Well, preparations are in full swing at the KSRTC bus terminal as KSRTC services will resume from tomorrow. In the state, healthcare workers and medical professionals have been deployed in the terminus where every person will be screened before boarding a bus. The Indian Council of Medical Research has begun its survey in Kalaburagi. Samples are being collected from various localities of Kalaburagi as well. Chikmagalur has retained the tag of green zone with no cases being reported from the district. Remember, residents in Chikmagalur panicked after a lorry driver and a cleaner returned from Maharashtra, but the duo have tested negative for COVID-19. Sorry state of affairs in Yadgiri as no officials were there to tend to the migrants who came back from Maharashtra. The migrant workers arrived in Yadgiri late on Sunday night, but no thermal screening was conducted. The migrants expressed their anger against the authorities as no basic facilities were provided to them. After a suspected COVID-19 patient tested positive for COVID-19, Bellari's Vim's hospital, 2 doctors who were treating the patient have now been quarantined. The hospital is also making preparations to quarantine hospital nurses and other staff. Mangaluru witnessed heavy rains due to the low pressure in Arabian Sea. The city saw continuous rains from yesterday, and also people faced a tough time as low-lying areas were inundated due to heavy rains. As heavy downpour accompanied with gusty wind lashed Vijaypura, many houses were damaged. Roofs of over 10 houses were damaged due to the heavy rains. Due to the heavy downpour in Davangere, waterlogging was reported in various low-lying areas. Residents were left in the lurch as water entered their houses in the district. Meanwhile, weavers blocked the national highway in Davangere and protested against the state government, alleging negligence. They also demanded an identity card by the government and asked the government to fulfill 12 other demands put forth by the weavers in the state. A suspected COVID-19 patient who was under quarantine for the last 5 days has escaped from the quarantine center. Doddapete police have formed a team to nab the quarantine escapee. A 42-year-old man who was quarantined in the isolation ward in Koppal District Hospital has now escaped. The man had come from Maharashtra to Koppal on May 11th and was under quarantine since then. Police are looking for the escapee and a case has been registered. Well, the Chaudeshwari temple lock has been broken and robbers in Hospalya of Nelamangala have gone in. The old gold ornaments on the deity in the temple were stolen by the miscreants. A case has been registered in Nelamangala Rural Police Station. A fight between 2 factions of the JDS turned ugly in Kolar during the distribution of food kits. Clashes broke out between the member of the municipal corporation. Nagraj was attacked with machetes as well. The injured are being treated at a private hospital in Bengaluru. A case has been registered in Mulbagal Police Station. 21-year-old man identified as Prakash lost his life after drowning in River Krishna. The deceased, who worked as a civil contractor, drowned in the river after he went for a swim. A case has been registered at Teradala police station. 4 members have recovered from COVID-19 in Bagalkot. The COVID-19 survivors, including 2 men and 2 women who were receiving treatment at Bagalkot COVID-19 hospital, were discharged this morning. A 12-foot-long king cobra was rescued from a farmland in Chikmagalur. Laborers working in the farm spotted the reptile and immediately informed the forest department. The snake was released in the reserve forest. Agriculture Minister B.C. Patil performed a puja at the District in Charge Minister's room in Koppal District Administration Building. His wife and children were present and no social distancing was maintained. Amid the nationwide lockdown, a couple got married in Davangere in a simple ceremony. BJP MLA MP Renuka Charya attended the wedding and gifted the newly married couple a pair of mask and Krishna couple.